All right, that's good. I could take the bottle cap off. Maybe I'll put it in front of you. Or imagine you had eggs in the trunk. Unless you're making an omelet, then you don't want to break the eggs. Much more comfortable rather than like going like 10, 20 over these speed bumps. Everyone's bouncing in their seat, you know. Tires fall off. Perfect. You can make a right turn. Now you're going to see a disco stop. It's an actual thing, a disco stop. You're going to see it in a second. There it is.
Oh.
Isn't that fancy?
What does the flashing mean?
It's just to grab your attention. It's on a solar panel. I had to look that up, but I'd never seen these before. I thought maybe it was something the college kids invented or something, you know. But it's a real thing. They actually have them in different cities, and they do call them disco stops.
Is that the only one in Sudbury?
There's another one over here. And there's one by LaSalle High School over there, but it's this sign right here that flashes, the crosswalk sign. When I looked it up on Google, I was like, I didn't know like how to do the search terms of stop sign that flashes.
Yeah.
Never see any bears around. Oh, I guess you did. You ever hang around? Apparently
Well, I
there's
went
bears.
for like quad rides a lot. My ex-boyfriend used to live like on Balmoral over there, so
Oh,
we'd
yeah,
go for like
Balmoral.
quad rides over here.
So yeah. Only seen maybe 2 black bears in my life.
Oh yeah.
At the stop sign up here,